In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create the black and brown open fill in the photos without using the camera filter. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is create a hue saturation adjustment layer, and this time we need to take away the green and blue colors from the photo. To do that, we will have to select greens and move the saturation slider all the way to the left. Now we have to select cyans and move the saturation slider all the way to the left as well. Now we have to do the same with the blues as well. And here we go. Now let's move to the second step. Let's create a selective color adjustment layer and make sure that the reds are selected. Now move the cyan all the way to the left and do the same with the yellows as well. And we are almost done, but we have got full control over the colors. So let's move the yellow and magenta just a little bit. Okay, this is done. And this is the before and this is the after. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it before. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.